Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's showbiz update, another Miss Janine Gutierrez update. Guys, so ayan siya, Edward, Robbie, Darla, and last but not least, si Miss Janine Gutierrez. So yan yung minaydi ni Darla in between takes. But dito muna tayo sa minaydi ni Michelle D. Filipinas. Ayan, kinaption niya Miss Janine Gutierrez. Nakatag din, ayan. Ito na nga yung pictures na pinost ni Darla sa kanyang Instagram as in minutes ago lang. Kinaptionan niya ng in a between takes. Ito naman guys, behind the scene during Pasko, ang pinakamagandang kwento, BTS, behind the scene shoot. So ayan, Team Fractured, then nag-aapoy na damdamin. Yan, Team Batang Quiapo with other kapamilyas and si Morissette. So kilalang kilala nyo na yan sila. Then ayan, si Sam Helby and Gerald Anderson, si Robbie, yung mga singer, si KZ, si Miss TC Tomas. Then ayan, si Janine with Isa Calzado, Miss Cory Vidanes and Angelica Panganiban. And ayan, si Queen Catherine Bernardo. So actually guys, yung video na to is from TikTok account ni Sir. Thank you sa sir na di ka mag-e-edit ng station ID, kasama ka sa station ID. Yan yung caption ni Sir, kasi ibig staff din yung nag-post nito sa TikTok account eh. Then other update. Then naman, other ganaps is ito yung asap ni Miss Janine Gutierrez kahapon. So ayan si Janine, ayun, with Robbie pa din yung katabi niya. Then si Edward, si Yeng, si Eric, si Miss Reg, si Sir Martin, si Miss Sasha. Then, ayan, si AC, si Alexa, si Francine, si Charlie. So, ayan, Merry Christmas, hashtag Decemblast. Ayan yung hashtag sa asap kahapon, hashtag. Then, ito naman during birthday, pa-birthday ng asap kay Yeng and kay Angeline. Happy birthday, Angeline and Yeng Constantino. Nakatag si Sir Martin and si Miss Janine G. So, yun guys, hope you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe. Love lots. Konting Miss Janine Gutierrez update lang po for today's showbiz update.
In the future.